Adding a payment gateway to WhatsApp Business allows you to facilitate seamless transactions directly within the app. Follow these steps. Set up WhatsApp Business account. Download and install the WhatsApp Business app. Complete the setup by adding your business details like name, category, and business description. Choose a payment gateway. Select a payment gateway compatible with WhatsApp, such as WhatsApp Pay, Razorpay, or PayU. Enable payments in WhatsApp. Go to the settings menu in the WhatsApp Business app. Tap Payments and click Add Payment Method. Select your bank and verify your mobile number linked to your bank account. Complete the setup following the on-screen instructions. Integrate third-party payment gateways. For other gateways like Razorpay, create a payment link via your gateway's dashboard. Share the payment link in your WhatsApp chats with customers. Automate payment collection. Use the catalog feature in WhatsApp Business. Add products or services with descriptions and prices. Include payment links in the product descriptions for easy checkout. Test and share. Test the process and start sharing payment links with customers during conversations.